My name is Daddy.
And we have a ginormous box.
We received a giant box in the mail, and we have to open it up and see what's inside.
Yeah.
You ready to do that? I'm so excited. I wonder what it is. Alright, that's one side down. Oh, that one was already open. Ready? Nice! Look! Spongebob! Kidrobot! Spongebob! And Rugrats Reptar! Hear me roar!
SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. Look at SpongeBob. His nose is, I can't see the nose. Oh, it's clear. Wow, so cool.
Here, baby, ready? Let's start with SpongeBob.
Oh, we're going to open that?
Yes. But first, let's talk about him. Look, SpongeBob SquarePants Kidrobot collaboration.
I'm not having mine, okay?
SpongeBob, best year at 20 years. I can just hear him laugh. Alright guys, you ready to open it? It says it's a vinyl art figure.
Whoa,
See
awesome!
SpongeBob, Kidrobot. Oh, I'm nervous to open you up, but I don't really care. Real sponge inside.
SpongeBob, you're
Oh,
inside.
God. Oh, I don't even want to.
It's gonna take I'm going to do it again.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Hey, look, it's a real sponge inside.
Real sponge?
Yeah, it looks like it's real.
Cool.
Look at it, you guys.
You can move the hand.
He moves his hand.
Look, he's smiling. Wow, I can feel it with teeth.
He's see-through, right?
Let me see.
Yeah, look. Grab it.
Whoa.
So he's 8 inches tall.
8 inches.
Clear. Yep, 8 inches.
Whoa,
Very
that's-
We're gonna open up Rugrats Reptar 7-inch vinyl figure. Kidrobot collaboration.
Big.
Ready, guys? Alright, so here's the openers.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he looks so beautiful. Let's open him up. Let's see. Now, this is like the second one. There's a pink version, but I couldn't really get my hands on it. It smells so good.
Wait, what's this? What is this?
Reminds me of like an old school toy.
So good.
Reptar.
It's so cool.
It's his cereal.
Is
He
cereal?
has his little cereal and his little spoon.
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, look at him up.
What's this? Oh, it's cereal.
Here's his little cereal.
Or this is best friends.
Yeah, you see SpongeBob's 8-inch, Reptar's 7. Cereal has a spoon. So detailed. I like the detail, the
I
color.
will keep this forever.
You will.
Yeah, I want it in my room. For me and for me. My best friend.
I like them. And we have a lot more toys coming on in because I ordered a lot of SpongeBob things. The 7-inch Reptar has Kidrobot logo. So detailed, so nice. And then his little cereal box. Kidrobot. So small, so detailed. And Zoe.
SpongeBob. You see the tallest?
Yes, SpongeBob is 8 inches tall.
Yep.
clear see-through. Has a real sponge inside.
Look,
Little
cheap.
cute shoes. It has kidrobot here right on the logo.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Hands move and jiggle.
You see art?
Add to the collection. Obviously, this one doesn't move.
Yeah, that's it.
Reptar, here we are.
But
So who would win in a death match? Reptar or SpongeBob?
I don't know.
I think SpongeBob. Why? Because he's awesome and because he's already hungry and eating cereal.
Yeah, but I thought in the box it was cake, but it was cereal.
No, yeah. I knew it was.
See that cereal? Ooh, look at that. Oh!
Yeah, it's like green.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This can move.
No, it can't. You're gonna break it, girl.
Look at
All right, guys.
the tent.
We're gonna add this to the
Who's
collection.
taller? Who's taller?
SpongeBob. SpongeBob's 8 inches. This is 7 inches. We're gonna add this to the collection.
Hello.
All right, guys. We're gonna add this to the collection. We're gonna do quite a few unboxings from now on. What do you think, Zoe?
I'm so excited.
So excited. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll hope to see you soon.
Yep. Bye.
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 Subscribe.
SpongeBob.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Like our video. And subscribe
Smells
to
so
our
good.
channel.